All right, Spready, what are we doing here?
Waiting for our tea time. Having a beverage.
Because
the inside is closed for whatever reason.
I think it's being renovated.
Yes.
Which might be good long term, but for now.
And Paul's already whining that he's hungry.
Me. I mean, we showed up almost 2 hours early for a tea time, planning to sit in a restaurant, and now we can't. Cheers. Nicholas.
Walking in too.
There's Connor. What are you doing with his face, dude?
What?
You trying to be like me?
Like it?
More than this.
He's got a Captain Jack Sparrow thing
Exactly.
going on.
Thank you.
I was doing Yuri from Command and Conquer Yuri.
Yeah, you're good.
So what are you trying to have your ex-girlfriend shit on your bed, or? Oh, you didn't hear about that?
Connor's doing it kind of too.
What?
Connor's got the chin
Johnny
dirt.
Depp and his ex-girlfriend, that lawsuit, she shit on his bed.
Yeah, I heard that.
Are you really filming this right now?
Doing a little tailgate before we go golfing.
Come on, hands.
Not bad. Well, you made it through. Ah, look at these boys. Spready, how you doing today?
Not bad. First two holes were a mess, but playing better now.
You really fucked up. But you had 5 over in the first 2?
More than that.
Yeah.
It was 11 over after the first 2, but
Really?
bogey, 3 bogeys in a row. I'm doing all right.
Bogey golf is all right. That's what we're here for, folks.
First
Bogey
time out this
golf.
year, I'm good with it. At least I'm hitting decent shots at this point.
So how far we got?
Says 146. Plays like
137 to the front. I'm right here.
what?
137 to the front.
Plays like 146. I got.
I got 125.
Is that to the middle though?
No, 142 to the middle.
It just says like plays like 146.
You're not filming? Film it.
It is, but you're too close to it.
Why?
Back up, well, like put the ball where your feet are.
It is. Yeah, that is
I
definitely.
want it right here, though.
Fine.
You know what you should do if you're gonna really get into this?
What?
Buy that program that watches the ball.
Yeah, I know. What do we say? 145 to the middle?
142.
40-ish.
Whoa.
Started out great. It was right at the right
Right
angle.
onto the cart path.
Oh, you ain't getting there.
Oh, it's empty.
It's a decent ball.
Nice.
There you go.
Oh, far actually.
You're in the back. You're in the back, but you're on. Nice.
What's the opposite of camera shy?
Camera whore. You're a whore, Peter.
A little left there, buddy. think you're in though. That's what I do for you people. Alright. What'd you do there, Nicholas?
Didn't hit well enough.
Okay. Good distance though. I kind of narrate your shot.
What do you mean? What I want to do?
What'd you do? You were short.
Yeah, short.
Good commentary, Connor. Let's go.
I'm the player. I don't commentate.
I'm not supposed to be as the filmmaker, the director.
This is going in the hole.
On your mulligan. That was a great shot. What'd you do there, Spready?
So I plugged right here.
So you pulled it out of your plug.
Pulled it out, moved it back, no closer to the hole. Oh, chunkered. That'll work.
Bit of a chonka.
That'll work.
Could have looked at that a little more.
So this is from up high.
This is a fucking long pitch right here.
This
Nice.
putt. This is Paul up to putt right now.
For birdie,
See if you can put it within 3 feet.
the idea.
No, it does not have the legs caught.
I'd say 6 feet, 7 feet. Paul, you haven't marked your last 2 holes, by the way.
Really?
Just saying.
Just gonna put them in par after we're done.
Because I'm that good, right? Oh.
Get
Come on.
the legs. Oh, bogey.
Ellie.
Was it starting to break a little to your right? A little more, it might have had it.